Hello there, thank you very much for watching. My name is Lee Cunningham from UID Me. You know, God forbid, but if I was ever in an emergency, then as long as somebody relatively close by has got one of these things, then I know that my chances of receiving good medical treatment and being saved are dramatically increased, and that's because I wear one of these things. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. I was just looking at the NHS website, and it's staggering now that 1.2 million people, over 1.2 million people, have been diagnosed in the UK and are being treated for COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder. And if you are one of the 1.2 million people diagnosed with COPD, I want to put a thought by you. Wouldn't it be a good idea to carry emergency ID? You might say to me, as others have, Lee, that's not much of a thought. Plenty of people do carry emergency ID. What's special about carrying emergency ID or emergency medical ID? Well, maybe that's not news, but perhaps this is. For the past 4 years, my company's been developing our version of emergency medical ID. It's a version of emergency medical ID where instead of just notifying the paramedic or the first responder or the doctor, etc., of your vital life-saving medical conditions and the medications that you're on, simultaneously, the system that we advocate can notify next of kin, the special people in your life, loved ones, wife, husband, etc. Well, just imagine that. You know, we have thousands of people using the UID Me system now. They just wear like wristbands like I do, or perhaps they're entry-level dog tags, you know, this kind of thing. But the remarkable thing about our system is it's so simple that it uses a 12-digit unique ID code, sometimes an NFC tag embedded like mine, or QR codes as well, or sometimes a collection of all these. And the moment a paramedic or a first responder accesses your medical profile, the information that you wish to share, as well as getting the vital life-saving emergency information that they need in order to do their work, the system can, if you wish it to, notify your nearest and dearest, your next of kin, that you have a problem, that there's an emergency. And many of the people who use UID Me over the years now have said to us, my family was so thankful that they were notified instantly because maybe, just maybe, circumstances took a different path because of that. It's just a thought. If you're going to wear emergency medical ID, that's a great. I say wear. If you're going to wear or carry emergency medical ID, that's a great idea. But why not consider using something that's just that little bit more powerful? Thanks very much for watching.